Only the salicylic acid is the form that's able to exfoliate, rejuvenate the skin. So this is the problem, and you can see that simple titration, traditional methods that many people are using are maybe successful for some time, but now make the product very much not effective. So what is the solution? The solution is a technology-based encapsulation. HydroSal is the name of the technology that we are using. This allows to do three major benefits for us for this specific issue. Number one is we can encapsulate salicylic acid. Basically, we can suspend salicylic acid, so the formulator can get a liquid form of soluble salicylic acid that if you dilute it, this is a concentrated salicylic acid, if you dilute it to the finished concentration, you will not get back to the crystalline structure. So this is the major benefit, number one, of using HydroSal salicylic acid. Benefit number two is it enhances the deposition of salicylic acid. So now you can use it even from a wash-off and it will not be washed off. So by doing so, you extend the contact time. You extend the contact time, you get better chances to work. So here you see the salicylic acid in the polymer, it's red on the bluish surface, and you see the salicylic acid is incorporated inside the layer on the skin. So this is a spatial adhesion phenomenon. As a result of this, once it's deposited on the skin, then we can get a gradual time release of the salicylic acid. With the gradual release, allowing the skin to buffer the acid, we're allowing to get a reduced dryness of the skin, less irritation, and enhanced compliance. People can now tolerate it, use it frequently enough to see the effect out of the technology with the salicylic acid. So these are the three major elements of why to use HydroSal with salicylic acid. The actual technology is called HydroSal Exfo for exfoliation. And it's a time-release delivery system with the purpose is to enhance the appearance and expose a younger looking skin. The structure of salicylic acid is, here you can see the salicylic acid in a soluble form and encapsulated into a polymeric system. The product itself is original concentrated product, is yellowish. However, when you dilute it from 15% to 2%, let's say, in a wash, it becomes clear. And this is another benefit of this product because one can use it in clear kind of product. It could be either facial wash or serum and so on. So these are major things. So HydroSal Exfo is best for what? First of all, it's best for makeup primes. If you use HydroSal Exfo, then the makeup can stay longer. Then it's brightening the skin by exfoliating the dead skin, exposing younger skin. It's typically lighter color than the dead skin, the dry dead skin. It's smoothing the skin. Whenever the skin is uneven, even there are scars and so on, this can smooth up the skin. It's balances. Balances means you have homogeneous level of oils and colors, and it's a technology for peeling. You apply it on the skin and then you can peel off the top layer of the skin. Now, the process or the material have been used. I'm going to show you several commercial products. Not all of them are using Salvona's product, but they're using other methods of salicylic acid. For example, you see this is a clear complexation forming a cleanser. It has 2% salicylic acid, okay, and it's claimed acne treatment. And I will show you not all products with 2% claim acne, like this one, 2% beta-hydroxy acid, skin perfecting, nothing to do with acne. So this is not a regulated product because it doesn't claim a disease. Here you see a serum And the serum, again, doesn't claim a disease. It's just 2% salicylic acid with some botanical like green tea. Here is another one. It sounds maybe familiar to you. It says high spreadability fluid primer. Okay, you understand what it is. And here is another serum with 2% salicylic acid, but it's not claiming, it does not claim acne, just exfoliating. So this is about HydroSal Exfo. This is technology number 1, liquid available to be used.